Download this code from codegive.com, link in the description below. Okay, let's dive into efficient handling of very large NumPy arrays. This is a crucial skill for data scientists, machine learning engineers, and anyone working with significant data sets. We'll cover strategies from choosing the right data types to using memory mapping and optimizing computations. Introduction: the challenge of large NumPy arrays. NumPy is fantastic for numerical computing in Python. However, large arrays can quickly consume significant memory, leading to *MemoryError* if you try to create an array larger than your available RAM. *slow computations*. Even if the array fits in memory, operations can be slow due to memory access patterns and CPU cache misses. *IO bottlenecks*. Reading and writing large arrays to disk can be a time-consuming process. Therefore, optimizing memory usage and computational performance